Hello and welcome back to another Acumatica demonstration. In this session, we're going to be looking at Acumatica payments and the customer portal. Today's demonstration is led by Ewan Miller, one of our implementation experts here at Rubech IT. The following footage is captured from one of our Lunch and Learn sessions, where you can learn about the latest trends in ERP and Acumatica features. If you're interested in attending these sessions, please email us at contactus@rubech.tech.
Acumatica Payments accepts all major forms of payment. You can send payment links for easy payment to customers. It also allows you to enable customer self-service. Acumatica can also produce gift cards, which you can then give to customers to allow them to pay with the gift cards. Accelerates statement reconciliation. You've got the ability to collect payments on mobile phones. So if you have field service agents, they can collect payments on the mobile phones. Reduces your risk with built-in security, allows you to process recurring payments. You can also manage partial shipments and future deliveries. And you can also use it as point of sales or point of sales to receive credit card or debit card through integrated card readers. So what does that look like to the customer? So let's look at invoice a memo, and we're going to look at the one that was due nearly £1 million. So I'm going to print the invoice here. And this is the invoice that this company would receive as a PDF. Note that there's a Pay Now link. If I click on Pay Now, this will take me to Acumatica Payments. And notice that is listing all the invoices which are due. I can do a partial payment on one invoice or a full payment. I can also select multiple invoices to be paid. And each invoice has got an itemized list, which I click to view, and it shows you all the items that made up that invoice. If I click on Pay, it'll take me through to a payment page. So I can pay with all major credit cards and also get Acumatica gift cards. And then once the payment is processed, the invoices are automatically closed off in Acumatica. Now I want to touch on account payable. So account payables allows you to receive invoices from vendors automatically. So Acumatica, you can set up an email address, and it could be accounts payable at yourcompany.com. And when invoices are sent through to that email address, they're ingested into Acumatica as incoming documents. Incoming documents allows you to basically drag files onto the screen, or drag invoice files into the screen, and you can drag one file in, or you can drag in many files. And then you can click on the file or select the file and click Recognize. Acumatica uses machine learning to basically recognize parts of the invoice. So what does that look like? This one is pending processing. I uploaded this earlier on today. And so we have a picture of the invoice on the right-hand side. And so the header is recognized up here. It hasn't recognized the vendor. But I must say, when you send emails or invoices via email into Acumatica, the vendor is automatically recognized from the vendor's email address. So I would select the vendor, location, automatically recognize the branch. It recognizes the date, see it's highlighted in green. It recognizes the due date. It recognizes the vendor ref. There was no description, and it's calculated the amount. Down at the bottom is the transactions that are listed in the invoice. So it's automatically calculated the quantity and the inventory ID. Now, this invoice scanning recognizes either your own inventory ID code or the vendor's inventory ID code if you have it within Acumatica. It's recognized the description, unit price, and the total. And then it recognizes the total at the top. If anything is incorrect, and this could be due to scanning invoices manually, you can correct it here. Once you're happy with it, you can click Save and Continue, and that will automatically create a bill payment for you. Next, I want to move on to Acumatica's self-service customer portal. So within your own website, you can basically allow your customers to log into an Acumatica portal. And this is what it looks like. This is obviously fully configurable, but allows your customers to create customer care cases. This might be a question about a product, or it could be an issue with a product or a service. You can look at your documents. These are the financial statements. You can look at your invoices from this link, My Documents. You can look at your sales orders. You can also browse a catalogue of items within certain warehouses and then add these items to a shopping cart and then place an order. So this lists all the invoices, credit memos, and overdue charges, and you can print them out from here. You can look at your statements. You can browse a catalogue of items. So it's just, you can cherry pick items that you want to add to your cart. So this is an add to cart checkbox. You can open your cart and then proceed to checkout. So this allows your customers the ability to create a sales order automatically from your own website. You can also create a knowledge base about your own products and services within this customer portal, which is great. Acumatica's help system is absolutely fantastic. If I go to, say, any screen, say invoices and memos, and click on the question mark up here, it pulls up a context-sensitive search. You can build your own wiki pages, which basically looks like this, and put them on your own self-service portal, and this will allow customers to solve their own problems rather than sending emails looking for help.